Downtown Rafah, where the heartache flows, here a lot of mosque where the wind softly blows. Small bird in a cage, singing a heartfelt tune, caught the eye of a man named Hassan under the moon. School turned shelter amidst the chaos and fear. The bird's sweet melody rang crystal clear. Hassan Abu Jaza, a seeker of peace, approached the cage gently and felt the release. Birdsong in Rafah, a moment of grace in a world torn apart, finding solace in a bird's embrace. As the winds of change blow through Gaza's streets, the music of hope in the air it greets. With each gentle turn of the cage in his hand, Hassan felt a connection to a far-off land. In the midst of turmoil, a moment of calm, a small bird's voice, a healing balm. Birdsong in Rafah, a message of love. In the echoes of war, a sign from above. May peace find its way to this troubled land. In the bird's sweet song, let us all take a stand.